Hello students, welcome back to TMI's Home-Based Education. Last video we studied about laws of exponent. Now that laws of exponent you have to apply in exercise 13.2. So the first question is given using laws of exponent. Simplify and write the answers in exponential form. देखो exponential form में ही आंसर लिखना है. So after getting the final answer, we will not multiply the number 3 by that many times. So first one, 3 to the power 2, 3 square plus 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 8. So this is the first law which we had studied, multiplying the same base. Base are same, so what we have to do, we have to add it. So it will be 3 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8. क्योंकि तीनों के बेस सेम है, that's why just the powers will be added. It will become 3 to the power 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. This is your answer. So just you have to apply the laws here. Now if second one we are doing 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10, where again the base are same and we have to divide, means what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So 15 minus 10, it comes to 6 to the power 5 is your answer. Simple, कुछ भी hard नहीं. Third one you can do it by yourself now. Fourth one I am doing, that also you can do it, लेकिन just one I will do it, so you will come to know what to do. Again the base are same, so what we will do, we will add the powers. Now we cannot add it because it is an expression, x plus 2, so it will remain as it is. The answer is over. Now fifth one, it is 5 square the whole power 3 divided by 5 cube. Now what you have to do, power of power is given, means we have to multiply. So 5 to the power 2 into 3, and then we will divide with 5 cube. So 2 3s is 6 divided by 5 cube, and now base are same and we have to divide, means we have to subtract. So it will become 5 cube. 6 minus 3 is 3. This is how we have to do. See, पहले power of power दिया था, so that we multiplied. 2 3s is 6. Then division is there, base are same, that's why 6 minus 3, that comes to answer as 5 to the power 3 or 5 cube. Sixth one is 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Now the powers are same, so what we have to do, multiply the base and the power will be common. When the powers are same and we have to do multiplication, we have to multiply the base, a into b or ab to the power m. If you remember in the last video we had done. So 2 5s is 10 and 10 to the power 5 is the answer. Seventh one is same what we had written in the law, a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. Again the power is same, so it will be a into b लिखो या ab लिखो, it's one and the same. ab means it is a into b to the power 4 will be the answer. Now 8th one you can do it by yourself. 9th one I am doing, that is 2 to the power 30 divided by 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3. देखो यहाँ पे डिवीजन भी करना है and then multiplication also. Not difficult, it's easy. Division करना है, the base is same, so what 2 will write as base. 30 division means minus 15 into 2 cube. So 30 minus 15 is 15 into 2 cube is equal to 2 to the power 15 plus 3 because the base are same. That will come to the answer as 2 to the power 18. I hope so you are understanding how we had done. So it comes to 2 to the power 18. Now here one mistake had happened, student. Instead of 20 I had taken 30. So same way you can do for 30 also, no problem. So it will be 20 also. 20 minus 15 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8. यहाँ पे 18 आएगा because I had taken 30 by mistake. So this sum also you write down, and question number 9 from the textbook also you do it by yourself in this method only. You will get the answer, no problem. It will be 2 to the power 8. Now the last 10th one, a to the power t divided by a square. Base are same, division we have to do, which is equal to a to the power t minus 2 will be our answer. Nothing difficult is being there, just you have to apply the law there. Now question number 2, in that you have to be little bit careful. वैसे कुछ hard नहीं है, just once you will understand, then it will be easy for you to do the sum. Now we are simplifying and express each of the following in exponential form. अब simplify करने के लिए ऊपर नीचे सेम होना चाहिए ना, but here it is not there, but we will make it. कैसे करेंगे? 2 cube ऐसा रहेगा, 3 to the power also we can write as it is, into ये 4 है, that will make it as 2 square. 2 2s are 4 होता है ना, 2 2s are is 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, so we can write 2 square is equal to 4. So that 4 I had written as 2 square. Now 3 into 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2s are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 to the power 5. So what I will write in place of 32? 2 to the power 5. Now as they are in division form only, so what we will do? पहले ऊपर जो है सेम पेज उसको ऐड करना है तो कर सकते हो, और यू कैन डू इट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो. देखो दोनों 2 है, उसका बेस सेम है, पावर्स आर डिफरेंट, सो इट विल बी एडेड. 3 + 2 5. यहाँ पे भी क्या है? 2 to the power 5 ओनली. फर्स्ट विल डू इट इन दिस मैनर. 3 + 2 into 3 to the power 4 to the power 5. Now it will become 2 to the power 4 5 into now 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 can get cancelled. Now what is remaining here? एक यहाँ पे एक 3 है, यहाँ पे 3 to the power 4 है, so it will be 3 to the power 4 minus 1, which will come to 3 cube will be the आंसर फॉर द फर्स्ट वन. पहले क्या किया? 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4. 4 को हमने क्या कन्वर्ट कर दिया? 2 to the power 2 और 2 square. 32 we changed as 2 to the power 5. Now as the base are same, we added the power as 3 + 2, which came to 2 to the power 5. नीचे भी 2 to the power 5, so they can be cancelled. यहाँ पे भी अगर आप चाहो तो डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो कि यहाँ पे 3 to the power 4 है, यहाँ पे 3 अकेला है, मीन्स इट इज़ हैविंग पावर as 1, तो इसमें से एक कट हो जाएगा, ये भी कट हो जाएगा, सो व्हाट विल रिमेन? 3 क्यूब विल बी रिमेनिंग. दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव टू डू. बस देखो सब कन्वर्ट हो ही जाएंगे इसी तरह से. सेकेंड वन इफ वी डू, that it's 5 square the whole power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. First we'll solve this bracket. So power of power is given, means it will be 2 into 3, 5 into 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Now when we solve, it will become 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Base are same, multiplication means we have to add it. So 5, 6 plus 4 it will become 10. अब डिवाइड ही करना है, सो -7 लिख दो. So 5 cube is your answer for the second one. Understood? 10 minus 7 कैसे हुआ है? This 6 plus 4 will become 10. Division है, base are same, that's why 10 minus 7 कर दिया. Directly it will come to 5 cube. Now third one also will be done in the same manner. In third one it is given 25 to the power 4 divided by 5 cube. Now how to do it? Because here it is 5, here it is 25. So 25 we can make it what? 25 we can write it as 5 square. 5 5 is 25, तो 5 square हो गया ना. 5 square means 5 into 5, so 5 5 is 25 and whole to the power 4. अभी देखो बेस सेम हो गया, divided by 5 to the power 3. Now power of power means you have to multiply, so 2 4s is 6. अब नहीं लिखूँगा 2 into 4 like, you can directly do it. 2 4s are 6 divided by 5 cube means 5 to the power 6 minus 3, which comes to 5 cube. Then next question number 4. 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8, 21 into 11 cube. Now again here the same thing, 11 तो है लेकिन 3 और 7 नहीं है, but here it is 21. So we can write 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8. 21 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 7s into 11 cube. अभी देखो हो गए सबके बेस सेम ऊपर नीचे, तो now we can cancel. 3 3 can be cancel क्योंकि दोनों को पावर 1 ही है. देन 7 यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे नीचे कुछ नहीं है, मीन्स 1. सो 2 minus 1 will be 7 only. 11 8 minus 5 कितना हो जाएगा? सॉरी 8 minus 3 will be equal to 11 to the power 5. डिवीजन में है ना ये 11 क्यूब, so 8 minus 3 will be what? 5. Now you can do it directly as we had understood from the first 3 sums, nothing hard. And if you want to do 2 minus 1, it's your wish. 11 minus 3, then you write 7 into 11 to the power 5, it's your wish. Fifth one, 3 to the power 7 upon 3 to the power 4 into 3 cube. I know it very well, so if I want it, I can cancel all of them, but as it is new for you, so 3 to the power 7, 4 plus 3, 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7, both will be cancelled. The answer will come as 1. It's very simple, but as they are given to write it in the exponential formula, so 3 upon 7 upon 3 upon 7 भी रहने दोगे तो चलेगा, और the answer will come as 1. Now sixth one, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. Now here many of them will make mistakes. If any number to the power 0, as I had explained, the answer will come always 1. So 2 to the power 0 means 1, plus 3 to the power 0 is also 1, plus 4 to the power 0 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 it comes to 3. यहाँ पे खास ध्यान रखना है, otherwise you will make a mistake. Same way in seventh one also, it is given 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 0 to 4 to the power 0. So again 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Difference क्या है, खाली साइन का डिफरेंस है, but the answer is here it comes 3, here it comes 1. Now eighth one it is given 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 0. See, just to confuse you, पहले प्लस का अलग से दिया, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन का अलग से दिया, अभी प्लस और मल्टीप्लिकेशन दोनों साथ में आया, बट इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट इज 1 प्लस 1 इंटू 1, तीनों का 1 हो जाएगा. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 ones is 2. Just this type of sums are given to you to just confuse you, nothing else is being there. Ninth one, 2 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 5 upon 4 cube into a cube. Now 4 is there, we want 2, so what we can write, 2 square means what, 4. 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 2 square, 2 2 ज़र is 4, the whole power 3 बाहर लगेगा, into a cube. So 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 2 3 ज़र is 6 into a cube. Okay, a cube it will come. Now what will happen, 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into a to the power 5 minus 3. Division नहीं है ना, नीचे है मीन्स डिवीजन है, so that's why we have to subtract. So final answer will be 2 square into a square. Now here what is happening, both are having same powers, so what it can be written as 2a the whole square. ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे कितने लॉज यूज हुए, पावर ऑफ पावर भी हो गया, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो गया, एंड विथ द सेम पावर, so 2 into a will be 2a and both are having the same power as 2, so it will be as 2a. Now 10th one I am doing. Not 10th one you have to do it by yourself, 11th also you have to do it by yourself. 12th one I am doing, it's 2 cube into 2 the whole square. अब जब आप इसको ओपन करोगे, ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर है वो सबको पावर 2 लगेगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट मीन्स ऑल द पावर. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट, 2 क्यूब 2 लग गया उसको पावर ऑफ पावर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर हो गया. नाउ व्हेन यू विल सॉल्व इट, पावर ऑफ पावर मीन्स 2 3 ज़र इज 6, डू इट प्लस 2, so the answer will come 2 to the power 8. Okay, क्या किया, 2 क्यूब था इंटू 2, द होल पावर 2 वॉज बीइंग गिवन, तो दोनों को पावर लगा दिया 2 का, 2 क्यूब द होल पावर 2, सो इट विल बिकम पावर ऑफ पावर, और 2 को भी पावर क्या लग गया, 2. So 3 2 ज़र is 6 plus this 2, it will come to 2 to the power 8. So this is how you have to do student. ध्यान से आराम से करोगे, थोड़े सम्स अपने आप वीडियो देखने के बाद भी ट्राई टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. It is easy, you can do it, it's not a difficult part. So in this video this much only, the remaining sums you have to do it by yourself. The next video again will continue with this exercise. So till then, thank you and take care.